Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with unstable ignition and idling vibration in your Mazda vehicle? Well, today we're going to take a look at the Distributor FS05-18-200 D4T90-02 fit for Mazda from ADMCXY, a product that promises to improve your engine's performance. This distributor is designed to distribute ignition signals to each cylinder in an orderly manner, resulting in a smooth engine operation and a significant reduction in vibration, giving you a more comfortable driving experience. With its precise cylinder block mounting, you can easily replace faulty parts without having to make significant adjustments to your engine bay wiring, saving you time and effort. The distributor also withstands high temperatures and vibrations in the engine bay, ensuring stable internal signal transmission and reducing driving problems such as misfires and weak acceleration. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's well reviewed, which is a testament to its quality and effectiveness. By balancing ignition timing for each cylinder, this product optimizes fuel combustion and mitigates power loss and abnormal exhaust emissions, giving you a more efficient and environmentally friendly drive. For example, if you're driving on the highway, you'll notice a significant improvement in your engine's performance with a smoother and more consistent acceleration and a quieter engine sound. Overall, the Distributor FS05-18-200 D4T90-02 fit for Mazda from ADMCXY is a top-rated product that is easy to set up and assemble, and is a great choice for anyone looking to improve their engine's performance. And with its compatibility with many older gasoline-powered vehicle models, it's a great option for those looking to restore their ignition system's performance. So if you're in the market for a reliable and efficient distributor, I would definitely recommend giving this product a try. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.